feel our feelings and emotions so that because it informs us. Our feelings are information. They're not something to be afraid of. And we have been taught to repress them, and that they're not good, and that we shouldn't show them, or that anger's bad, or that sad, we don't want to be sad, or no, there's information in your feelings. You're feeling angry for a reason, so figure out what the reason is so that you can do something about it. It's kind of simple, you know, like it's like, why would we have feelings if we were supposed to not do anything with them? So if you have a feeling, what is the feeling trying to tell you to pay attention to? If you're feeling pain, well, what do you need to heal? If you're feeling anger, there's usually hurt under the anger, so what are you hurt about? Right? If you're feeling sad, it's okay, because sometimes things are just sad, and you're allowed to feel sad sometimes. Right?